Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are feeling well. So in today's video, Christmas light and centerpiece decoration ideas. So friends, classic Christmas lantern centerpiece. In this Christmas brings back the timeless glow of tradition with a glass lantern centerpiece. Classic lantern centerpiece, simple, elegant, and full of holiday. Choose your lantern. Start with the metal or wooden lanterns, white, red, or golden shades. Look them festive. Place the candles inside so battery operated to give that cozy glow. The base, set your lantern on a tray, wooden board, or even a slice of tree. Now around it with beans, berries, red berries, and tiny ornaments to fill the base with life and color. Final touch, add a big ribbon, on top. Red velvet patterns bring the perfect Christmas warmth when the lights shine dark. It's feel like the heart of Christmas glowing right on your tables. And viewers, if you love that farmhouse charm, the cozy wood of paints, the warmth of candlelights, lantern centerpiece is for you. The base, take a wooden lantern on or any metal walls for that country feels setting on a wooden tray. And refill the base with pink try orange. Decoration details, tie a red ribbon around the lanterns and some more red berries. It's the kind of decoration that feel handmade, heartfelt, home decoration and viewers. And viewers, elegant golden lantern centerpiece. Pick your lantern, choose a silky golden lantern with clear glass jar. Inside place metal lights. The golden candles for the soft royal glow edge. Luxury touch, arrange golden ornaments, pearl beads, and a few red roses around the base part. Some glitters, pink